Take stomach syrup. Take antibiotic. Give medicine to patient. Get the prescribed medicine from the pharmacy. Take stomach syrup. Take stomach syrup. Talk to patient. Use the hospital camera to capture patients. Go to the printer and collect patients. Take patient's printed photo. Look at patient's document, then stamp it. Stamp document and admit patient. Take sample from patient. Take patient's sample to the test patient's sample in room 1. Diagnosis complete. Get the prescribed medicine from the pharmacy. Take stomach syrup. Give this medicine to patient. Give medicine to patient. Get the prescribed medicine from the pharmacy. Talk to patient. Use the hospital camera to capture patient. Go to the printer and collect patient's photo. Take patient's look at patient's document, then stamp it. Stamp document and admit patient. Stamp document and admit patient. Take patient's sample to the diagnostic machine. Test patient's sample.